Hey guys, it's Caleb. So today I've got some really cool prickly pear cactuses to show you guys. So these are two different types of prickly pears, but there are actually quite a few different varieties of them. And I managed to get these from my work. They've got a couple of really big prickly pear plants growing, so I was able to take a couple of cactus pads, as you can see here, and one of them that has the ripe fruit as well. So I thought I'd give that a try because I've actually never tasted them before, and I thought I'd just make a video and share that with you guys. So let's take a bit of a closer look. Alright, so looking up close you can see that it's got these little sections of spines, and those spines are actually really tiny, like almost as thin as hairs, but they will still get you if you're not careful. So the easiest way, from what I've looked up online, to get rid of them, or to make sure you don't accidentally eat them, is to actually burn them off with a lighter. So I'm going to actually just give that a try and see if it works. So I seem to have burned off most of the spines, although I'd actually recommend, if you guys are going to do it, maybe sort of stab it with a knife and hold it with the knife rather than your hands, because I still, in the process of burning it, ended up with spines in my fingers. Alright, let's skin this open anyway and have a look. Okay, so from what I've seen, the best way to do this is to just cut the ends off to start with. And you can just sort of put like a cut through the skin at one point, and from what I've seen you should be able to just peel it off, although it's going to work. So once you've peeled it, just make sure that there's no spines on the fruit, but let's just cut it and see what it looks like. The colour is so red, it's really insane colour, it's so vibrant. There's quite a lot of seeds in here too, they're really hard seeds apparently, so I'm just going to give this a taste. It feels really slimy. So I've tried quite a few bits of this because I've been trying to decide what I think it tastes like, because it is quite a unique flavour, but it is quite nice. It's better than I was expecting it to be. It kind of tastes a little bit like an orange, but definitely not as sweet. But it also has like kind of this beetroot sort of a taste, and it's really juicy as well, like kind of like a melon would be. Not amazingly sweet and overwhelming or anything, but just quite juicy and yeah, different. So it's worth a try anyway. So as for this prickly pear here, you can see it's got a ton of fruits on it, but they're not ripe yet. They're still quite small. But in saying that, I've seen this fruit over the last few years at my work, and this type doesn't seem to get very big, and they never seem to ripen, or not to a point where you'd sort of want to eat it. And I'm not too sure if that's just to do with our climate not being hot enough, or if it's just the type of prickly pear. I thought it would be kind of cool anyway just to grab one and have a go at growing it. These guys are really easy to grow from cuttings, just like any succulent or cactus. Pretty much once you've cut it off the plant, you just need to let the wound that you've cut heal, and then you can pretty much just stick that into the ground, give it a little amount of water but not much, and just make sure you don't overwater it, and that should just start putting some roots out, and there you go, you've got a plant. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching my video on these prickly pears. Hope you guys found something new from it, and do feel free to check out some of my other videos on YouTube as well. Alrighty, we'll see you guys soon.